Hi everyone, my name is Terry and welcome to my channel. I know we're all getting ready for the fall, so in today's video I wanted to share with you how I've decorated for the fall in my home. I also want to show you how I organized my coffee station. Okay, let's get started. So this year I did something a little different for my tablescape. I incorporated these black web plates, which I thought would be fun. So we've got a little Halloween and fall at the same time. I love the combination of the black and the gold. And these fall plates are really cute that I got from Crate & Barrel. And on each side of the centerpiece I have these black candlesticks. And for my centerpiece I actually used some live plants as well as a faux garland. And I used this wood stand with this porcelain cake stand and a bunch of little velvet pumpkins. Just a fun table setting this year. And this is my coffee nook. And on this side, I keep my raw sugar is in the jar. And then I also have some extra packets in the center. And then on the left-hand side, I have a jar of tea. And this is where I keep my loose leaf black tea. And in the center I have my Speg electric teapot and also a little cake stand filled with some biscotti. And on the right is my Keurig and my frother. I'm going to take you up here. These lights above, without them it's so dark in here, but These are awesome because they actually are magnetic. And then you recharge them, and they're actually really awesome. I love them. And I've got one on each side, and it pretty much brightens up this whole area. And this is where I keep my tea. And we are currently trying to use loose leaf tea instead of the tea bags. Just been hearing awful things about tea bags and how they use plastic in the tea bags, which, you know, incorporating the hot water with the plastic is not a good thing. I do like using these tea bags, which are the Newman's Own organic black tea. They do not use plastic in their tea bags. Currently we're trying out the Tea Forte brand, and they have these single steeps in boxes of a mixed variety, so you can kind of figure out which ones you like. And it gives you a description of all the different teas that are in the package. So I got 2 different kinds, and this is the other one. And it too has a different variety as well as a description. And this way we can decide which one we like, and then we can choose the larger cans. These are 2 that we have tried and we like. And then this is a Japanese tea. This is another one from Tea Forte. And these are so adorable with these triangular tea bags with the little leaves on top. And again, they've listed what different varieties are in this box. This is the collagen that I've been using every morning for the last couple of months, and I have found it to be very beneficial for my RA and joint pains. And then in this drawer is my coffee. As you guys seen in my other videos, I have switched over to Peak Performance because they don't have the toxins. They have temperature controlled facilities and just better coffee for you. I've noticed a big difference. We really like it. Okay, let's go into my cabinets. I'll open both sides so you can see. At the very top, I have my espresso cups. These are obviously cups I don't use. They're all the way in the top. They're actually really just cute cups that I love. And then coming down, these are cups that I use for like Irish coffee. These are my French presses. I do have 2 sizes, one that's large for when we have more people and a small one for just 1 or 2. This is my iced tea maker. In the next row are my tea sets and teacups. So these are my Japanese tea sets. I've got 2 different sets. And then these are my teacups. And these are specifically for loose tea. So when you take the lid out, it has the steeper in it. So you put the tea inside. And then when you're done steeping, you just take the metal piece out and drink the tea. And this is also one that I got from Tea Forte. After using this, I will recommend to make sure you get a handle. This is hot to hold, and I didn't really like it as much, but I do like the ones with the handles. These are nice big sizes. This is 16 ounces, which is great. So I love these teacups. And then there's one in the back that's for my husband's. And then I have a couple of these clear ones that are awesome too. And then on this side are my Japanese teacups. This may sound crazy, but I actually have a his and her coffee shelf. This is mine, and my husband
husband's on this side. He has all his Steeler cups, big cups, and I have all my foo-foo princess cups. And my cups are pretty mismatched, but I kind of like it that way. If I see a cup I like, I just get it. I don't like them all to match as far as my everyday cups are concerned. And now we're gonna go up to the next shelf, and these are just my cappuccino cups. These are extra pods that I have for the Keurig. And then on this shelf, I have this adorable tea set. And these are just little coffee sets that I bring out when we have company. These are cups that I either don't use often, or they're really big, so they're kind of like my soup cups, or they're seasonal. And then I do have my favorite Starbucks cups at the top.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see future videos.